I'm sure you're wanting to know the details on this wig, so here you go. This is going to be the Sensational. This is their Kinky Edge wig. I am in love with this wig. I actually saw this wig on TikTok and I had to purchase it on Amazon ASAP. It's 14 inches. It's a wide part, so you can see how the middle is longer and the sides are shorter, and I'm just showing you the kinky edges. So in order for me to, oh, don't forget that elastic band. So in order for me to install it, I'm gonna have to make sure that my locks are tacked down. If you've seen in my videos on how I install my wigs, you will see that I always braid my hair down in order for it to be nice and snug. Now, to make sure that the lace blends, I'm going to take my foundation, add a little bit to my foundation brush, and then add it to the lace. That way it doesn't look like I'm wearing a wig, because what's the point of looking like you're wearing a wig with some kinky edges? So I didn't use a wig cap for this specific install. I just went ahead and just plopped it on my head because I feel like my center part plus the center part on this will be suffice. Right here, I'm just making sure that it looks good after I cut the lace off, just seeing whether I want to do a middle part or a side part, because if you know me, I am not a middle part girly, I'm a side part girly. There's something about middle parts I feel like I don't look good in, but as you saw in the beginning, I actually went with the middle part. I'm just showing you guys what the Kinky Curls looks like right out the pack, and it's looking gorge. And after I do that, I'm gonna start to just define and make the wig look more shapely. I actually am not the best cutter in the world, and I feel like this initial cut that I'm gonna make, I made incorrectly, and I feel like I ruined the wig. So I'm gonna eventually just buy another one and cut it correctly. I feel like I put too much hair in the front to make the bangs, so I'm gonna repurchase the wig like I just said, and I'm gonna start slowly with the bangs and then gradually go out. You're gonna see me consistently touching the top of my head because I feel like that's where I cut too much of it. I try to make it blend, it keeps sticking out, so it is what it is. So just be careful when you are cutting your wigs to just start off very small and then gradually cut along and not make the mistake that I made. But anyway, right here, I'm just shaping the wig so that it frames my face. I love the fact that they give you all of this hair and you can suit it to however you want it. You can keep it long in the front if you want to. You can make it shorter. I just love that. So don't mind how I'm using the scissors awkwardly. Lefty trying to use scissors. If you're left-handed, you know scissors are not meant for us unless you have left-handed scissors. So I'm just trying to cut away to make sure it's framing my face. I'm just gonna do a little speedy so you can see me cutting the wig in case you wanted to know like how I framed my face, and I'll be right back with my voiceover. Now it's time to tack the wig down. I'm gonna use trusty old Got2b and the edge of my rat tail comb, and I'm just gonna do a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna pull my wig back and I'm gonna apply that gel onto the base of my hair, and then once that dries, I'm gonna add another layer, and then once that dries, I'm gonna pull the wig on top of it. I just didn't want to get my hands too dirty, and you can use hairspray. I've seen a lot of people use hairspray, but I just didn't want to go through that. Right here, you're seeing me just put the wig on top of where I put the gel, and then I'm gonna use the end of the rat tail comb again to just press the lace down. I didn't want to have my curly edges too glued down. I wanted to look natural, so that's the reason why I decided to just use the gel instead of a hairspray. That way I can control where the lace is. I do love that the kinky edges is around the entire perimeter of this wig. So if you wanted to do like a flip over look, you can definitely do that once you secure the wig down, and it looks super natural. So I'm just showing you guys. I was going to do a flip over look like for the end results, but I actually preferred the way the middle part looks. But yeah, it looks really cool when you actually flip it over too. It looks like, you know, it's your natural hair. I really love this wig, and for it being as inexpensive as it is, I am actually gonna just rack up on this wig because this wig is gorgeous. Anyways, so this is me just playing around with the baby hairs, trying to make it not look so like kinky, and this is the final results. As you can see, this video is what, less than 10 minutes. The install didn't take me much to do. You're just cutting the lace, adding your foundation, and gluing it or gelling it down to your hair. And don't forget to shape it, but be careful with the scissors. You see me playing with that part? It keeps sticking up. I'm gonna show you guys some close-ups of what the edges looks like. This wig is so gorgeous. I will definitely recommend this wig to you guys. Of course, I'm gonna link my Amazon link below. It is an affiliate link, so I will get commission if you purchase this wig. That's all I have for you guys. Enjoy my beauty shots because I was really feeling myself, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.